I am reminding everyone, we are not here to compete. We are here to contribute and to help the city of Naga. Kompleto naman na yung mga nakalagay sa mga board, Murado supporter, nandiyan na lahat na details. Okay? Once again, pagmamalit ng